Hey traders, Raghee here. In this update, we're going to dive into crude oil and what my plan in the beginning of the new year is going to be for crude. Let's talk about chop for a moment though, because not just in crude, but a lot of markets, we're in a non-trending environment. And you can see that with the lower row of the JT multi back to yellow. And so ultimately what we have is an overall choppy environment where overbought and oversold support is what would be our best triggers. Now, how do we know if something's overbought? How do we know if something's toppy? How do you know if something's near a ceiling? Well, one of the best ways to do that is with a very old school indicator. One of my favorites, by the way. It's a slow stochastic. All right, a slow stochastic. And if you're not familiar with a slow stochastic, I wouldn't blame you because stochastics, the non-slow variety, are pretty darn popular. But slow stochastics are a little less popular. That's the one that I use. Now, specifically, here are the settings. I'll use a 21K 3D setting. So not only am I using a slow stochastic, which is kind of unusual to begin with, I'm using a very slow setting on the slow stochastic, with the 80 being overbought and the 20 being oversold. All right, so there you got the setup. See where it's at right now? There's your overbought. We know it's chop, so that conversation's valid. So what I'd like to do, and a lot of folks ask, Rog, does that mean you're going to short it? I actually would rather not do that. Let's wait for this market to move a little bit lower and make about a 50% retracement of the last major move. Now, this is not high-level Fibonacci. This is the way that I've been doing Fibonacci for about 30 years. Really basic expansion contraction, meaning what was the last move and then what would be a 50% retracement of that last move. Sure, you can take a look at the 38.2 and absolutely you can take a look at the 618, but I do like that halfway mark. There's something magical about it. Basically, right around 71.85, I want to look for crude oil to pull back and then give me a setup long. Choppy market means I don't have a lot of expectations for the market to break far beyond 77.5. If we were to trade all the way down to say 66.20, that would be an oversold buy, likely with the slow stochastic, down in this area. Okay, if you're looking for a choppy market tool, this is the one. All right, slow stochastic, 21K 3D, and this is how I'm going to apply it to crude oil. Have a wonderful, happy, healthy, prosperous new year. Thank you so much for being a part of one of our membership rooms. Maybe you join me in Charts and Coffee, or heck, even if you're just here for the free videos. Regardless, thank you for your time. Thank you for your dedication to becoming a better trader. I wish you all the best in 2022, and I look forward to seeing you either in the Charts and Coffee show in the morning or one of our membership rooms. Thanks for being a part of the community. I'll see you in the next update.
Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.